Hi all and welcome back to our channel. Today we will showcase the Maybach 62, a car that Daimler built which redefined luxury and opulence. Seen here is the dual tone by AutoArt, which is a 1/18 scale model. Let's get into the unboxing of this car.
The dual tone color, silver and black with a chrome finish, gives appealing look to the car. This car was a part of the Millennium series. This car is built with metal, rubber, plastic and acrylic. The AutoArt has stopped the manufacturing of this car. However, this car is available with few collectors who are willing to sell this car. Hence, this car is very rare to find now. Now, let's see the detailing of the interior and the exterior of the car. The headlights and the chrome grille looks amazing. Add to it, the logo is like an icing on the cake. Superb detailing of the 6-liter V12 turbocharged engine can be seen here. The rear side with the tail lights and the logo looks amazing. The boot space is detailed with the fabric inside and the side rubbers. The side mirror is well detailed. The steering wheel, the odometer and the brake pads has good detailing. The flooring has a fabric finish. The dashboard, the AC vents, the LCD panel, the gear knob and the electronic buttons has very good detailing. The rear AC vent and the front armrest looks nice. The doors with the wooden finish and the chrome look with the electronic buttons looks superb. Chrome step boards with Maybach written. The detailing of the infotainment screen and the 3 analog meters is phenomenal. The sunroof with that grille is looking amazing. Classy looking tires with the golden finish alloy wheels look stunning with that emblem. Also, the disc brake are visible and the screws is well. This is how it looks from the below. The stepney, the exhaust and the suspensions are visible. Overall, the AutoArt, as always, made a stunning job in the detailing of this Maybach 62 1:18 car. If you find this video interesting, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Scale Model Club. Thank you for watching.